COVID-19 has emerged throughout the world now and it is the lockdown time. But fitness is necessary in this time also. And in this regard, I am presenting a gym kit which I have recently bought for my fitness. It is a total 10 kilo dumbbell bag and with each 2.5 kilos weights, and I am showing you that. It means you have 5 kilos in each hand, and I am presenting this. Now I am cutting the packet. It's a heavy bag and you have to unpack it very clearly, and I am doing so. Now I am unpacking it. I am unpacking it bit by bit. Here is the tie tape and I am going to unpack this, and I am cutting this, and here is the total kit. Here is the total kit. So the rods, here are the two rods for the dumbbell, and the gloves for a better grip, and the two wheels, 2.5 and 2.5 means 5 kilos. Again the wheels, the four wheels are here, and the skipping rope is here also, and the grip tester to increase the strength of grips. And the skipping, yes, it is for the skipping rope on the mat, and these are four wheels, and this is the back, and this is the gloves and the rods. You have to feed these rods. I am showing the rods. I am showing you the rods. See the rods. This is the rods. This is the rods, and you have to fix the rods and the screw to the wheels. Yes, one wheel on each side. Let's bye bye.